How to install TV remote control on mobile. So for that, first you have to open Play Store in your phone, or you can just open App Store, and then after that, here I am downloading Fire TV in my phone, and after that, here tap on install, and here you can see that Fire TV is now installed. And after that, here open Fire TV in your phone, and then here it is looking for devices. You have to tap on your device here, that here like my came, and after that, here you have to enter the 4-digit code which would be disabled on your Amazon Fire TV. But here enter the code, and then after that, here your remote would be working.